thinking today for filler?
Well, I would like my lips done. However, I don't feel like my face would do well with big full lips. I've had them done in the past, so maybe just doing it so they're have a little bit more shape.
Okay, yeah. You have a really nice hydration to your lips now. I really like the way that they look, but I think that we could add just a little more structure to them so that you get a little more lip show and a little bit more of a crisp order. Okay. I really want to avoid adding projection to you, and so the technique that I'm going to use is going to just kind of finely lay the filler over the top of your lips to give you that shape and structure without giving you that kind of duck appearance that people don't like.
Right. Okay.
There's a few different filler options that you can use depending on the results that you want, and I'll go through those. Okay. So we have the softest filler on Juvederm's line, which is Volbella.
Okay.
That product is going to give you really just hydration. It's not going to give you much shape. It's a really nice option for a first-time lip filler client or an older client who really just wants to restore that hydration to their lips.
Okay.
Ultra is another really nice option. It's going to give you a little more structure. It's soft. It pulls in a little bit more water, and so it's going to give you that plump lip appearance. Okay. But again, and then a little bit of structure as well.
Okay. Will that help with kind of the fine lines around the outside of my lip? Will that kind of plump them enough so those smooth out?
So it can.
Okay.
Sometimes if it doesn't enough, we can place a little bit of a fine filler like Volbella above the lip, kind of acting as a smoother to the skin in very thin amounts, if we can't get that desired effect with the actual lips. But often the lips will help with that issue.
Great.
For you, however, I'm thinking just because we're trying to give you a little more structure, I don't want to use, I want to use a product that has a little more structure. And if I lay it finely, it'll give you that without giving you that projection. And so a product that I really love for the lips that's not always thought of as used for the lips is Velour. It's very soft, but also has that structure. And so I'd really like to try that in your lips today.
Sounds great.
Yeah. So the process is going to be, I'm going to clean your lips, and then I'm going to numb you, and then we'll have you sit for 10 minutes before we start the procedure to get everything nice and numb so that it's the most comfortable it can be.
Perfect.
All right.
Thank you.
Yeah.